These are the elevators at the town center offices in Edgewood, Pennsylvania. This is a Schindler or Westinghouse RT elevator. Schindler or Westinghouse. Go to the basement. Don't know what the other elevator is doing here at the basement. Go to 5. One of the creepiest basements I've ever seen. In an office building. I've seen creepier ones in houses and apartments. This is the only one that serves the basement. The other elevator does not serve the basement. I used to see my eye doctor here, and that's all I know. I rode these elevators. These are hydraulic. I think these may have used mid traction because there's a little room if you look at the outside of the building. Here are 5. Go back down to 1. Slow door. Here's the 5th floor, typical office building. Phone box is messed up. Padded elevator, basic cab. This one's taller than the other elevator. Underneath the padding is the normal cab. Here's your cabinet. Here are your RT fixtures. Here's a certificate.